Welcome to Rhythm Yoga Therapy, where we teach that rhythm is healing and yoga helps restore our rhythm. Hi, we are going to do a practice from Yoga Planet, which was part of the Yoga Pretzels flashcard series. This is out of print, although it's got a lot of really great practices in it. And this is one of my favorite that was called Joy Breath. So I'll be leading you through these instructions back here. So Joy Breath is wonderful really for all ages. It's an energizing or upregulating breathing practice that also involves arm movements, which is part of what makes it energizing. So like I said, it's great for all ages, but there is one caveat. Because this is such an energizing breath, it's contraindicated for people who are having a lot of anxiety in the moment or recently. It's better for folks who are more balanced or really need to bring up the energy. They need to invigorate a little bit. So I'm going to show you this practice once, the arm movement series once, and then we'll do it together 3 times and see how that feels. If you're liking it, then you can do it twice more with me. So watch this first time around, and the first time I'll move back a little bit. So I inhale my arms up, and I exhale hands forward. Inhale arms out, and exhale arms down. Now, you can try it with me 3 times. You ready? Here we go. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. That was 1. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now, if you want to take it up a notch even further, you can add sound. And what sound does is it emphasizes the movements. So with each exhale, so that's 2 different exhales we do, you can go ha with it if you like. So if you'd like to try, we're going to do it 2 more times with the sound, with the ha. So here we go. Inhale, ha, inhale, ha. One more time. Inhale, ha. Inhale, ha. So that's Joy Breath. I hope you found it enjoyable, and we'll see you next time. Namaste.